Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create or make a game pass on Roblox mobile or iPad. First of all, you have to open a browser and just go to roblox.com. Just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox. Now guys, what do you have to do to create your own game pass? Just tap on this create tab over here. It will take you to this page. Now you just need to tap on this menu over here. Just tap on it and just guys tap on this creation option. Now guys, in experiences you have to tap on your username experience. Just tap on it. Now once you here, you have to tap on this menu button again, 3 bar, and just scroll down, and under the monetization you will see the pass option. Now you can create your own game pass here. Just tap on this create a pass button, enter the name of the game pass, description, and also you have to then you have to click on this or tap on this create a pass button. And if you want to change the image of this default game pass, then you can change it and just tap on this upload change button and just choose your image and upload it. So once you create it on your own game pass, you just need to now configure it. So just tap on the new game pass that you have created and just tap on this menu 3 bar again and tap on sale again, and now you just need to tap on this item for sale toggle button, and also you have to enter the price here like 150 and tap on this save changes button. After this guys, you just need to open please donate and add your game pass there. Once you here guys, you just need to tap on the open the please donate game on your device, on your mobile or iPad. Now once the game is open guys, now to add your game pass here, just look for any empty stand. Since you can see that it is unclaimed stand, you just need to hold this button and your game pass will be listed here. Fine, so that's how you can add your game pass here in the please donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.